Elia Scudiero, an associate professor in precision agriculture and agronomist at the Environmental Sciences department. I've been part of the UCR family since January 2014. We are at one of the research plots of the university's agriculture experiment station. Right by where we are now, it's an orange site where we are testing sensors before they hit the market or right before going out and working with the farmers' fields. We just want to make sure that everything works before we hit the road. My lab broader interest is in agricultural sustainability and making sure that our farmers can reach the agricultural production goals for the US. Meaning that we need to feed an ever-growing population, right? And at the same time, we don't want to harm the environment. So we are using sensors to measure soil properties such as soil moisture, the soil type, the soil quality, and as well plants, both from the ground with sensors like these ones here, or from data coming from the space, from satellites. Our idea is that if we are able to characterize how soil and other environmental factors are influencing the growth of plants, we'll be able to understand where the inefficiencies of agricultural systems are and help farmers address them with data-driven decisions. So here we have a prototype for a passive microwave radiometer. It basically captures microwave that is emitted by the earth and bounced off plants. We can measure water content in the soil, the water content of plants. Here we also have like a spectrometer that tells us how things are looking in the infrared and the visible wavelengths. And right here, we don't have a sensor. We have a good old auger that we use to sample the soil and take it to the lab and understand if what these sensors are seeing is actually reflecting what we see in the field, both from the soil and the plants. My love for precision agriculture and agricultural sustainability, I guess, comes from my background. I was born and raised in a farm back in Italy, and I could see firsthand the effects of environmental degradation due to intensive agricultural practices. So that, love for the land and seeing the impact of agriculture, as well as the nerdy love for maps, put two things together and made me specialize in understanding how agriculture interact with the environment at the spatial level. And then I had the chance to learn about GPSs and sensors and see how that type of technology can help farmers make better decisions. So we have this exciting opportunity for undergraduate students that's called the Digital Agriculture Fellowship. That's basically a program where students can learn and gain experience in agricultural data science, a field that many employers are requesting new graduates to be expert in. So we pair an undergraduate students to a lab here at CNAS or in engineering college. We mentor them with opportunities for research, but as well career development opportunities thanks to the Undergraduate Advising Center at CNAS. These students gain experience in agriculture. They would have otherwise have no chance to engage with agriculture, and they have the opportunity to research, present their research at academic conferences, as well as present their research to industry partners and have the opportunities to intern with some of the industry partners of the project.